Hello, welcome to a new video. Today, another video on intrusive sounds. Today, it's the intrusive sound, which is intrusion is another part of connected speech. Let's start. So, as we know, intrusion happens between the vowel at the end of a word and the vowel at the start of the next word, connecting them together. So have a look. I'm going to read out the first part of this sentence. What do you notice? Which words are connected and how are they connected? Are you ready? Let's go. The senator and police. The senator and police. Okay, bit slow, more slowly. The senator and police. The senator and police. Okay. So maybe you notice there is a intrusive sound between senator and. The senator and senɪtərænd. The senator and police. The senator and. So the sound has connected those two words. So when does this happen? Well, the intrusive follows a word ending in a schwa, that symbol there, the schwa sound, which is the For example, senator. I'm a teacher. So the follows a word ending in a schwa or a word ending in the long or vowel sound. For example, law. For example, after those sounds and before the next vowel sound, you get the So, for example, senator, that's the schwa, senator, and senɪtərænd, teacher, and teacher, and law and order, law and order. So those are two examples. Okay, this time there should be some more examples of the intrusive in this sentence. Pause the video, read the sentence aloud. Can you find or can you notice the intrusive sound? Okay, if you're ready, I will read it out. Listen carefully. The senator and police commissioner are discussing law and order. The senator and police commissioner are discussing law and order. More slowly. The senator and police commissioner are discussing law and order. Okay, so there are three examples. The senator and police commissioner are discussing law and order. Okay, pause the video, practice that sentence. If you're ready, we have some more practice. So, I made up this story. Why were the senator and police commissioners discussing law and order? Okay, pause the video, read out the story, and can you find more examples of the intrusive sound? That last word is trouble. Okay. If you're ready, let's check the answers. All right. Listen carefully. Senɪtərænd. Commissioner. Law and order. Media attention. Media attention. The soccer all-star. The soccer all-star caused fire and damage. Fire and damage. Senɪtərænd. Senɪtərænd. The mayor asked. The mayor asked. Saw a video. Saw a video. Okay. So these are all the examples in this video. It doesn't always happen. The intrusive R doesn't always happen, but it often does when people are speaking naturally. The senator and police commissioner are discussing law and order. Media attention is high after the soccer all-star team lost and hooligans caused fire and damage in the city centre and the stadium. The mayor asked for calm after she saw a video of the trouble. Pause the video, have a try for yourself. And aha, there is another one, another type of intrusion, the intrusive video of. If you're interested in the W, the W intrusion, check the link. Saw a video of the trouble. Okay, but I am British. The intrusive is different for British and American English. So the intrusive is less common in American English accents. Why? Because they often pronounce R's strongly at the end of a word. So an American might say fire, so they pronounce the R. Fire and, so fire and. So in this case, it's not intrusion, it's just the consonant, and the vowel. It's just linking. Again, it's connected speech, but technically it's not intrusion, it's just linking. So for an American, fire and. For British English, fire, schwa, fire and. Slightly different. Okay. Well, that's it for today. Check out the other videos on intrusion and connected speech. And yeah, let's keep practicing. Okay, everyone. See you next time. Bye-bye.